I'm just saying I will have a nap, but always I sleep until morning. Nine people, my girlfriend of today. Yeah, I think Greg today she don't have work because only she's coming to work 3 days in a week, not every day. And only her work it's 5 hours. She's lucky she's not like me. I'm every day 9 hours without break, continue working. But she's lucky because she has only 3 times a week work and 5 hours only. She's lucky. Tomorrow she will be here. Like she's coming Sunday, and I think tomorrow, Tuesday, and Thursday. Friday, no. Saturday, no. I don't. Saturday, yes. I think Saturday she's coming. Day off today. Yeah, she has day off. She has another job, but another work, like part time. Also, Greg. Mansoor Lifestyle. Hello. Where are you from? Thank you for coming. I hope bus will come quick so maybe rain will come again. Thank you very much. She works hard to like you, Jaja. Yeah, she's working in another one shift of day there. She has another job, like part time in anywhere, everywhere. If someone call her, she do. If no one call her, she take a rest at home. I am from Pakistan. Okay, thank you so much, Mansoor from Pakistan. Thank you for visiting my life. Much appreciated. Oh, nandito ka pala. Akala ko off mo, Greg, she's here. I thought her off day. She's wearing yellow. She's here. I thought her off day. Greg, she's not off day. She's here. Good morning. I was just asking about you, but she's talking. Wait. She's talking in the phone. Wala pa, be? Kanina pa ako dito. 44 pa lang eh. Baka darating yun, 8:45. Kailangan ko... She's talking in the phone.